Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today my husband's going to help me show you this propane torch that we just got, so we're going to get it assembled together. It comes with an 11.5-foot hose, and then you get this little extension rod here so you can make it longer. You have your trigger handle, and then you have your torch attachment. So you can simply attach these two together, or you can utilize the extension to make it longer and easier on you. And they provide two little wrench-like tools for assembly. So with just these two pieces here will be your shotgun version, or you can attach the extension to both the torch end and the trigger and create the long gun. In the process of using the included wrenches, it bent amongst the pressure. So if you have your own wrench, I would suggest using your own. All right, so just a quick look at the propane torch real quick. Right here is your igniter. They call this the piezo ignition. Right here is your gas control knob. You have a nice wide handle that's nice and ergonomic. And then you have your trigger. They call this the turbo blast trigger. You have your hose fitting, and then you have your large caliber burner. So we're gonna get the hose connected to the tank. So to start, you wanna make sure your gas control knob is on minus, and then slowly turn on the tank and make sure that your torch is down 45 degrees from the ground, and you'll press your igniter and wait for a click. And this is going to be great for a range of things. You can do weed burning, you can light fires, you can burn brush, you can work on metal, you can help remove paint and coatings, or even the wood preservation technique Shosugiban. So it's varied for sure. I love this product. All right, so we hope that was helpful for you guys. This thing works like a charm. You should definitely give it a try.